tree. It's a tree. Trees. Building. Another tree. Another tree. Anyways, we're gonna be seeing some birds today. And the birds are pretty cool. So, yeah. Enjoy. And if you're wondering where this is, it's at the quarry in Dundee, and it's a caravan park. Do you see that, birds? Do you see them? Do you see that bird? Yeah, you do. Hopefully you do. So yeah, we're gonna be looking at some birds. Pretty cool birds. Oh, there's one. Where did he go? Well, that is a huge bird. It's about as big as the swans. Oh, there's one. There's a bird. There's smaller ones, but I don't know where they are. Oh, there they are. Oh, are you guys the smaller ones? No, those are the big ones. Check it out. Oh, there's the little. They're yellow. But anyways, closer look. Oh, this little guy, he's trying to hide. I'm camouflaged. Basically like that. And there's the white birds. I don't know what kind of birds they are. I'm not going to walk in the water, even though it's not deep here, under the trees. And there's a pathway to those trees, but it is underwater because, it rained a lot. Oh wow, it's finally open there. After a few, weeks or months. Sorry if I'm the whole entire time because, no, don't bring up the chatterbox of Peppa Pig in the comments. I'll turn the comments off just in case. Okay, let's go. Let's go further. Okay, where are we? Okay. I'm scared my phone's gonna fall in the water. Because then there's no way of getting that thing back. No way. But there's a birdie. Oh, there's another birdie. It's in the distance on that little log there, right there. You know those challenges where what's on YouTube where you have to keep your hand as still as possible, and then they say, Dad, why are you shaking so much, and those kind of stuff. I'd be shaking literally. I'll be shaking like a rattlesnake's tail. Don't listen to what I just said. Okay. But I have 19 subs. I just need one more. Then I have 20. Then I have 20 subs. And then I'm happy. And then there's the leaves. and nature's beautiful. There's the restaurant, church. I don't know what it is anymore because people use it as a church, but they call it a restaurant. Now I'm very confused. Beautiful. Beautiful. Just beautiful. And mud, not beautiful. Water not beautiful for phone, but it still looks beautiful. And by the way, I call vanilla. So it's not vanilla, it's vanilla for me. Here in South Africa, it's actually pretty calm here, except when people break in. That's when it's not too calm. Oh, there's that little birdie. Little birdie. There you are. Pretty sure it's standing on the land. Tires to tell you, don't go further than the tires. You know, I was not going to drop my phone. That'd be terrifying. Otherwise, I would start screaming for help. Oh no, I'm dying without my phone. That's true, because I got this phone by my sister, and yeah, I don't really think I want to lose this phone because I'm only gonna get my phone in a few weeks or in a few days. So that does not mean I'm gonna start a new channel or anything. I'm just gonna put that channel. I'm gonna put this channel, this one, it's right here. Yeah. Are you subscribed? Please be, and also to my besties channel, A Sky Dash Wolf. Yeah, basically that. Just be subscribed to her. And if you don't know the name, go to my YouTube video and write the name on a piece of paper